Okay, Bunny.
Oscar! Oscar! Hi, Pepper.
Hello.
Sophie.
Sophie.
Are you jealous? Hi, Marilyn. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Rose. Hello, Rosie. Oh, Oscar's going up there. Not yet. Almost. Hey, Brutus.
Goes.
Ray Brutus!
Hi, bud.
Are you a good boy? I think you are.
The beagle, it's who?
Right there behind you?
Yeah.
That's Riley.
Right.
It's Rye Guy.
Wow, that came out of you? Crap.
Yep.
Holy crap.
Little Finn! Little Finn!
Did he go down there?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little one. Marilyn!
Boy, for a little dog, you guys should
Yeah.
feel a lot.
Oh yeah.
You must be all black.
Oscar! Oscar! Seems a good boy. Being a very good boy, huh? Yes, you are. Being a very good boy. Sophie! 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 Pepper! Not yet, Bright Guy. It's almost time. Almost lunchtime, little man. Not yet. Go wait, just a couple more minutes. Just a couple more. What a good guy. What a good guy, Riley. That's a good boy. Hey, Sophie! Hi. Easy. Oscar! Brutus, what is that bark, huh? What in the world is that? What is it? You claiming your territory. Little Finn. Little Finn. Ooh. Little Finn. Oh, hi. Hello, Bo. Yeah, he's always had it.
Oh, okay.
He's such a good boy.
He is.
All right, guy.
Oh, here's the
Yep.
standing next to it.
Izzy! Izzy Wizzy! Hi, little baby. You don't have your brother today? Hi, Lola.
You. I know you got some of that food before I got down there. I know you did.
Brutus. Brave Brutus. More like Sleepy Brutus, huh? Sleepy. Sleepy. What? What? What do you want, huh? What is it? What is it? Huh? Huh? He's such a good boy.
You got a bag on you?
Yes.